Hi guys, and welcome to this new episode. And today we're going to be discussing about Hamster Kombat Season 2 and the rifts that has happened in the community for the Season 1. Did Hamster Kombat actually did the wrong thing, eliminating cheaters, or are there better ways for them to have gone through this? So this is Hamster Season 2. Unlike the Season 1, there is nothing like tap for this one, at least not yet. There are just a lot of games, lots and lots of games. I do enjoy their mini game actually, and then they have the mine option that allows you to mine as usual, just like we invest their coins then into different opportunities to help you increase your per hour earnings per hour. So this one is diamonds, and then you'll be earning some diamonds per hour. So what I actually think is that they are not going to definitely come up with new token for season 2. I don't think that makes any sense. What they will probably do is to just reward us with some of their existing hamster token for the season 2 as well. And probably they are looking at a situation whereby the value of hamster will have gone up, and then even if they give you 3 to 4 hamsters reward for season 2, it might be definitely worth it. So I also got some reward for the hard work that I've put into hamster, right? And I'm not complaining anyways. It's the value that matters. And then for those that have not connected their wallet already, they will have the opportunity to connect their decks in the next 29 hours. I've already connected my Bybit, so I have my Bybit here. So actually, was it fair to eliminate or remove or ban millions of people? Let's see what Amster have to say about this. Guys, if you're not following me on Twitter, do follow me on Twitter. I'll drop the link in the description below. Also, smash the like button and smash the subscribe button if you haven't. We have amazing content here for you, for everyone. So, this is according to them. This is one of their tweets where they said that we have banned over 2.3 cheaters, enough to fill the entire room of rope. That is a dig. All right. But there's a particular tweet where they give an explanation of what happened. Okay, here it is. They said over 300 million people have joined Hamster Kombat since March 26, 2024, and the 131 million qualified for the Airdrop on the September 26th, while around 2.3 million were banned as cheaters. So 30.6 million of qualified users haven't chosen the withdrawal method before the deadline. You can still claim the token though. That's why I said you can still attach your decks in the next 29 hours. Now they said out of 100 billion hamster token, 75% is reserved for the community, which is good. Now 60% will be distributed after season 1. From this amount, users will get 88.75% immediately during the airdrop, while the remaining 11.25% will be vested and unlocked 10 months after listing. Like I said, the majority of these Telegram mini apps have been deploying this vesting system to ensure that people don't go ahead and just dump all their token. But I seriously think Hamster will be worth holding for a while, to be honest. Now, an additional 15% will be dropped during the upcoming season 2 of the game. Like I said earlier, they are actually projecting a situation whereby the value of the token will have increased over the months, And then even if they give you like 5 to 10 hamsters for season 2 reward, it might actually be worth it. So they said we should all stay tuned. So let's see what happens. Personally, I think what they could have done was to, instead of banning over 2.3 million people, about 2.3 million people according to their tweet here, what they could have done was to reduce their reward very immensely, like maybe cut it by 50% or cut it by 60%, and then let them still get something for it. Because I have a lot of people sending me messages and complaining about what happened, and I think that could have been a good solution. Majority of people cheated in various ways. They also explained it. They explained how they actually find out that people were cheating. Let me look for that particular trade. Okay, this is it. They said, wondering how we caught them. Well, here's an example. One person connected over 400 accounts to a single Binance address. I think that is very silly. This is an easy way to actually get that you are cheating. While another invited over 2,000 friends, all of whom were flagged by our anti-cheating system. We have been analyzing users' behavior for months before the TGE. We have seen accounts that's logged in at the same time each day and we're tapping the same exact pixel. You see, these are easy scripts to even just get cheaters. It's not really rocket science here. We have taken away 6.8 billion tokens from those cheaters, and then 50% have been distributed among honest players. Then another 50% will be burned. Well, that's a good way to go about the token they took from those cheaters. Um, well, 6.8 billion tokens, that's a lot. That means we shouldn't have gotten as much as we got as reward if they had not given us this 50% extra. Now, they said cheaters don't belong in our community, blah 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 blah. Yeah, and of course, underneath their tweets, you get a lot of people complaining about this and then what they should have done and thereabouts. But well, it is what it is. They've made their decision, and then let's see what happens. So, lastly, let's discuss at what price do we think Amstar is going to launch. Well, there have been a lot of discussion about this. There have been a lot of tweets about this. And if we're looking at what happens, because Amstar is also on Binance token launch platform. If you look very closely here, when they posted this, I think they still have about a few hours till the end of that launch pool. You see, 2 billion plus USD has been staked on Binance alone, and 1 billion plus BNB has been staked on Binance. Over 3 billion in value has been staked on Binance. What am I talking about? 3 billion. That's more than 3 billion. Because one BNB is way above $500 now, right? That's a lot, a massive amount. That's massive. Massive amount of money has been staked on Binance alone. So to some extent, I believe Amstar should launch within $0.1 to $0.3. The least I'm expecting is 0.05 to 0.08. So let's see what happens. Now, if you have a contrary opinion to the amount you think Amstar is going to launch, within the next few hours before they launch, drop your comments in the comment section, guys. Let's engage. Let's see what happens. Let me hear from you. Okay, let me hear from you. All right, I think that's that about this Amstar season 2. Like I said, if you're not following me on Twitter, I will drop a link in the description. Follow me, let's engage. I'll also drop a link to so many other projects that I am personally involved with. You can join those projects. I think those projects are going to do well. Also, we have a community on Telegram that I would love everyone to join. So do join our community, invite your friends, and let's get to talk. Let's get to engage ourselves. It's the first place I go to when I find any opportunity or I find any project I want people to be part of. So come into the community. We have huge things coming very soon. And then that's it about Hamster season 2. Okay, guys, big up yourself. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Let's grow this community. I'll be seeing you very soon.